Okay guys, so this is your weekly video that goes over what is due and the expectations for this week. So we're going to click over here to Blackboard. We're in week 4, due September 26th. Okay, so that's Sunday. This week, pretty simple. You have one assignment. You don't have to read anything or watch anything. Instead, you're going to discuss your short film series 1, which was due last week. So this discussion is going on a discussion board and you'll be talking with your classmates. You need to discuss these questions that I have put together. I need it to be one written response that encompasses all of these questions. Please do not number your questions or copy and paste the question and then answer it with one sentence or one word. This is college, so I'm expecting one written response that encompasses all of these questions. So let's go over this real quick. This says you've just completed your short film series number 1 assignment on your own. So for this discussion, I want you to share your thoughts on the assignment. Specifically, the film series, A Conversation About Race, and what you think your experience would be if you made your own short film on race. So some things to consider when constructing your post. How did you connect with these films? Can you relate with what you watched or learned in these films to real world happenings? Do you have an emotional reaction to the films? Did they inspire you or give you a new outlook? What would it be like filming yourself talking about race? Would you feel vulnerable? Would you find it easy or difficult? What do you think you would learn from this type of experience? Here's the deal. You can be as candid as necessary for this discussion within the limits of respect. Okay, this is hot topic stuff and it can trigger some emotional responses, but we are all entitled to our own reactions, feelings, and opinions. However, rudeness or hate will absolutely not be tolerated on this discussion board. If I find that you are being rude or hateful to another classmate, you will get a 0 for this assignment, okay, without the option of making it up, all right? You're not required to share any type of race video about yourself talking about race. I'm asking how it would feel to do that. I'm not asking you to do that, okay? Expectations, how you make full points on this assignment. All right, you have to just write a post that is between 200 and 300 words that relates to this prompt right here. Don't go off on a tangent, okay? And then you're going to reply to 2 of your classmates, and those replies should be between 50 and 75 words. Okay, if you just say great post, way to go, you will not get credit for that reply. This is a discussion, which means you're throwing out your opinion and discussing your thoughts, and then you're carrying on the conversation and adding value to your classmates' discussions by replying. Saying good job does not add value to a discussion, okay? If you quote the video series, if for some reason there's a quote that really stood out to you and you quote it, I'm going to look for you to cite those sources. Okay, if you don't quote anything or use any direct sources, then you do not have to cite your sources. Okay, so again, the only thing you're doing this week is you are contributing to this discussion. So you're writing an original post that discusses this prompt. Okay, has to be between 200 and 300 words, and then you're going to reply to 2 classmates with a minimum of 50 to 75 words. If you disagree, remember you're entitled to disagree, but there is a respectful way to disagree on a discussion board. So please be sure you're not being rude or you're not spewing hate on this discussion, or you will get a 0. Okay? All right, if you have any questions, just holler at me. Y'all guys have a great week. Bye.